What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and I had to make this video for you guys today. I woke up and I was looking at the price and I knew it. We broke the $52,000 barrier, guys, just like I predicted, just as I called it the other day, yesterday. I said this weekend we were going to get to 54. I was a bit off. We only made it to 52. Hit me with the freaking bowling ball if you must. But yeah, knock me over with a feather, clean me up with a vacuum cleaner. I don't care. Because it freaking looks awesome to see Bitcoin sitting at over 51,000 with a brief push to 52.1. Now, I did a live stream yesterday, and I don't know if it was my mobile service provider or if it was YouTube, but it absolutely was blurry. And literally blurry, not just the normal, upgrade your 280p up to 720p. It don't matter if it's 720p or not, that thing's blurry. So, I'm going to do another video today about Bitcoin, because I want you guys to know that the end of the market is not here. That we have a massive, massive blast off left in this bull market. So right here, we are at a level of resistance. We just broke above that level. But the real big area to watch would be right here, 53,633. When we broke down from that level, that is when we went boop, 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 all the way down and kept going. Now we must break above 53,633 to continue. Now, this is a major step in the right direction. If we would not have closed above 50, we would not have made it to 52 right now and be sitting at 51 too. This is a good level for us. We went up, we hit it once, and broke through the 51, guys. That's the main thing. Remember this? Well, this was our previous high before at 51.6. So we just broke that now. We broke that resistance a bit higher. Boom, to 52.1. Now we need to keep going, turn this rejection into another catapult and break that wide open, get up to the $53,000 level, hold that all strong throughout the week, and see 60K before the end of the year. That's only a week though. No, we might still. I'm not giving up on 60K before the end of the year. It's probably going to happen like a week after I said it, because it normally happens like a week after I say, or 2 weeks tops. But I get it fairly correct almost every time. And there are times I'm wrong, and I'll admit when I'm wrong. I want to let you know, because I don't want to keep leading you down that path if we already know that it's not the one to go. So, not always right. Most of the time I am. That's only because I really know crypto pretty well, and going into this, it's kind of unprecedented where we're at right here. We were in a very bad place right here, getting ready for a head and shoulders pattern to form right here. See that? Instead, it was on its way. We had some nice support right here. And people were like, wait a minute, no, we can't let that happen. Boom! Breakout, baby! All the way up to 52.1. And a good place for us to end out last week and begin the new week, right? Today is a new day. Today is a good day. And now we have turned these breakout levels from 49 and 50,000. These are now our support levels, guys. Resistance over here. Look, resistance over here is now support over here. That is good news. That means we should technically keep going up. So, and we have a higher high, we have a higher low, we have a lot of good stuff happening. Let's see, our low is lower than this one now, so we actually have a lower low, but we still have the higher high. And so, let's see if we can keep on this path. Now, excuse me. What is going on with the rest of crypto, though? Well, let's just see. Algorand, oh my gosh, all the way up almost back to $1.68. Wait, $1.68? Isn't that where I bought in Algorand as $1.68? Or was it $1.88? I don't remember now. It was either $1.68 or $1.88. $1.68! Oh my, so I am basically broke even now. Actually a little bit above broke even. This is the price that I bought Algorand at. What the heck, dude? So I'm already broken even now. And that $1.73, that would have been my profit, guys. So Algorand has made it its whole way back from the dump. Now, let's go look at the graph. Well, what is it then? Ooh, gosh, I'm yawning. 78 cents right here. Nice. So I needed to go about to 84 to be broke even because I bought at 88 and then I bought down at 60 something. I didn't have a whole lot of money to purchase, or I would have bought all day at 59 cents all day long. So yeah, we're sitting at 76 cents right here. So that's a nice price. We're going to keep going, hopefully. We need Bitcoin to keep going in order for these altcoins to keep going. Yes, this is awesome. And I yell. Yes, I yell in my videos because I get happy and excited. And most people actually like that. And they just don't comment about it. But I've had a lot of comments. They like my energy. So you guys don't like me yelling? Well, mute me then. Or mutiny. Mute me or mutiny. Either one. No. So look at it. It just went up another penny as we were talking. It went back to 77. Oh, look at that guy. Woohoo. Nice little hour blast off from 75. Let's rearrange that one. Oh, it's back down to 76. But that could be just the timer not catching up with it yet. We'll see. This is pretty cool. It looks like 77. Yeah, because when I reset, it goes to 76 and then back to 77. That means it's at 77. I've noticed that. So, yeah, we're at 77 now. That's awesome. I want to see it on this one, though. That's what I want to see it on this one, man. Come on. Catch up with your graph partner. So, now internet computer price. What is going on here? Now, everybody was saying, oh, he called it from 22 to 28. Oh, what a big price breakout. Well, guess how much money you would have made if you bought like $1,000 worth at 22 bucks. And then you sold it up here at 29. There's no money to be made in internet computer? Wait. So if I bought $1,000 worth at 22 bucks, that would be, oh, let's see, 10 of them would be 220. So times 4. So it looks like you get about 40 of them for that, right? So 40, and then you add what, another $7-8 onto that? So 40 times 7. That's 280 bucks you just made from yesterday to the other day. So you put 1,000, you just made a fourth of your money in a day or two. No money to be made, huh? You just got to buy and sell at the right time. And look at this. 22 to 28 is pretty big jump in a week. Look at that. 21 all the way to 29.77 in 1 week. That is bank right there. That's about 30%. As you see, $6 right there is 30% of the total. Booyah. So this is why I'm telling you guys about this. You could have made a 30% profit in 1 week. And that's why I tell you guys, I was making videos about this all week long and telling you these are dream level prices. When I say that, I mean it. I don't use that word a lot. And well, lately I have because there's been dream level prices a lot. But before this, before we were down at these low levels, you didn't hear me talk about that a lot because I didn't, because they weren't dream level prices. Now, in a bull market, now see, don't get me wrong. Now, it depends on where the crypto sits when you're in the bull market to depend if you're at dream level prices or not. Now, I used to say when the graph was sitting up here at, I don't know, let's just say for instance, $1.21. Well, dream level prices would be anything under $1, right? At that point, at this point, anything under $1 would be dream level. Now, if you're talking up here, when you're at the $2, then maybe anything like $1.50 would be dream level, right? Because it's a lot less than where we're at the time. But since we went way down and went to 60 and 50, 49 right there, of course, that resets the whole idea of what dream level prices are now. Right? So this was the beginning of it, went all the way up to $3, sat at $2 for a while, and then went to 50 cents. So before at $2, like $1.20 was dream level prices. Now that we went down and saw 49 cents and went back up to $1.20 after that, then I would say anything under 70 cents would be dream level prices. Maybe sometimes even 70, depending on where we're at. But for right now, yeah, anything under 70. So that's what I'm talking about. It isn't just about the crypto and the price. It also has to do with the place where we're at in the market as well. And those are things you have to look the whole situation around. And that's why you got to watch my videos for that. Because I'm the one who looks at all of those scenarios, brings them all to you in one lump sum filled video. And that's why I do this. I bring tons of information about the way the crypto moves. And some people ask me, well, why do you make videos? I mean, what, are you just telling people to buy crypto? Not at all. I'm teaching you how to buy crypto without financially advising you. I am showing you how I do it, so it makes it easier when you face any challenges that might arise due to it being a cryptocurrency, right? This is new technology. Not everybody's versed in it. And it's fairly simple, though. I mean, the people made it as simple as they could. There are some things where developers really tick me off and they make things just stupid, but I haven't seen a whole lot of that with just crypto. I've seen more of it with making videos of that kind of stuff than, in crypto, which is good. We want to keep all the bureaucracy, out of at least part of crypto. It's definitely what crypto is, bureaucracy, because the world has to either accept or reject it. But we need to look at the future. Okay, so now that we already saw these dream level prices, where do we go from here? Well, I would never say when the market is rising to put all of your money in the market right now. If you are going to do your buying, you should have done it over the last several weeks. Now, it has been perfect buying opportunities over the last month. You could have bought at almost any time in this last month, almost any crypto, and made a profit. These are the times that we don't even know that they're happening until after they come. So I was telling everybody that it could be a bottom, but also I wasn't sure if we were legit done with the bull market. And that's why I kind of sat back and I was like, guys, just watch for a while. It doesn't, whatever, if you miss out on a week or two of trading, but it's better than losing everything, right? I'd rather sit neutral for a week or two than sit in the loss for a week or two, which is actually where I spent my time. But now that the market's rising again, all of my stuff is starting to go back into the profits. This is why I say you got to have diamond hands, guys. Diamond hand is the man's plan, man. I'm telling you, because if you don't have diamond hands, you ain't a man. No, I'm just kidding. Or a woman. You ain't a man or a woman if you ain't got diamond hands. So I don't know, guys. I just kind of like the way the whole market is looking right now. What do you guys think? Do you like the way that the market looks? Are you happy? Are you making money? People are saying they need to make this amount of money and this amount of money and that and this, and yeah, I appreciate that. But we're all trying to make money, but how do we secure our future? That is what we're teaching over here. Yeah, we can make a quick profit. Yeah, I would actually say if you guys bought at these low level prices, start taking stuff off the table, when it gets higher. I wouldn't say like right now, but start thinking about when you're going to take it off the table. I'm not taking mine off the table yet because I'm just barely breaking even. So if you're already in the profit, that's what I mean. If you're in the profit, maybe start thinking about taking profits, but we might even go higher than this. So the good thing is, I think actually Bitcoin, now that we hit and we broke above the $51,000 barrier, now we're not guaranteed because we still have some resistance at 53. But this is a crucial area that we needed to move to and that we failed to break above before the close. So I'm still happy with this. I'm still looking forward to what's going to happen this week because of this. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribe to the channel. Like this to get it out in front of everybody's eyes so that they can, learn what dream level prices are and learn when to buy and when not to buy, when to sell, when not to sell, and always dollar cost average, not financial advice, entertainment purposes, only common sense. All right, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!